Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I am in the kitchen making some homemade fresh whipped cream. You ever want to cook something and you need some whipped cream to go on it and you don't have any? Well, if you don't have it, just make it. So, let's get to it. It's so easy. You only need 3 ingredients. So I have some heavy whipping cream. I have some vanilla, some imitation vanilla. You can use real or it doesn't matter. And a little powdered sugar, okay? And I have my handy dandy KitchenAid mixer. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna shake up my heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna add some of my whipping cream. I'm gonna go ahead and start whipping that. I'm gonna put this on a little higher. I'm gonna start to add my powdered sugar. 1, 2, 3. Just a couple teaspoons of vanilla. I mean, a couple drops of vanilla. Just a little bit. Turn it up a little bit more. As you can see, it's starting to stiffen up already. Let's check it out. Let's see how stiff that is. Look at that. Can you see that? Let me taste it. Oh, that's perfect. I want to add 1 more teaspoon of the powdered sugar and let it whip a little bit more. Oh, so it's nice and stiff. It's nice and sweet, not too sweet. That's why I only wanted to put a couple tablespoons of the powdered sugar in at a time. So this is perfect. Look at that. It's perfect. So when you are out of whipped cream, make your own. Look at that, nice and creamy. Like I said, it's sweet enough, and I'm gonna find something delicious to put this on. And while I'm trying to find something delicious to put this on, guess what I need you guys to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.